Hey there, welcome back to another exciting review video. Today, I've got a game-changing product that you need to add to your kitchen arsenal, the Disposable AirFryers Parchment Paper Liner Oil-Proof Waterproof Paper Tray Non-Stick Baking Mat. Trust me, this is a game-changer for anyone who loves air frying but hates the messy cleanup that comes with it. Let's talk about the material first. It's made from food-grade parchment that is waterproof, oil-proof, and non-stick. Not only is it 100% healthy, but it can also withstand temperatures up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit without affecting the taste of your food. You can bake, roast, fry, and serve food without worrying about any residue sticking to your air fryer. Now, let's discuss how this amazing product will keep your air fryer clean. These disposable paper liners effectively keep food residue away from the fryer, saving you time and effort when it comes to cleaning up. Just think about all the time you'll save not having to scrub your air fryer after every use. And the best part? These non-stick disposable paper liners are designed with a bowl shape, so you don't need to tear, fold, cut, or bend them. Simply place them in your air fryer and let them do their magic. Plus, the heightened edge protects the side of your fryer and prevents food from sticking to it. Another great feature of these paper liners is that they won't interfere with the internal air circulation of your fryer. The heat is generated by air circulation from the pan's wall, and it won't be affected by using these liners. This means you'll get healthier, grease-free foods every time you use them. And the best part? These liners are widely compatible. Use them in your air fryer, oven, steamer, and cooker. They're perfect for home baking, camping, BBQs, and summer parties. Lightweight and practical, they're a must-have for any kitchen. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to messy air fryer cleanups and hello to hassle-free cooking with these amazing disposable air fryers parchment paper liners. Trust me, once you try them, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without them. Grab yours today by clicking the link in the description below and thank me later for making your cooking experience so much easier. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome reviews and kitchen hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!